Hey y'all, Blanche here. It is another Tuesday. Today I wanted to come on and do a tutorial / review for this look here. This was done with Bitchslap Cosmetics. This is the Chrome Paintwheel, or one of their Chrome Paintwheels. This is Sweet Bitch, and I hope you all enjoy it. During the tutorial, I talk a bit about my initial reaction, what I think of the makeup. I love you all. If you want to see how I did this tutorial, keep watching. Okay, hey. So I have my foundation done, which is Max Factor Pan Stick in the Deep Olive. I've got my powder, my contour, my eyebrows drawn, the NYX Jumbo pencil on my eyelid, and the highlight, which I have done in several videos. So if you don't know how to do that, check out one of my other videos. Today I'm going to be using, this is the Sweet Bitch Paintwheel from Bitchslap Cosmetics. Thank you, Nikki26, for the paint wheel. And I'm going to be using all 4 of the colors on my eyes. I'm going to start with this color here on the middle of my eyelid, and then put this on the outer and work those up above. My initial reaction is that these are very glittery. Can you see it, how it shimmers? Okay, I have already put on the inner corner of my eye a matte white eyeshadow from Bed Nye, because I always like to have a white inner corner. My initial reaction is very nice. It's applying very smoothly, blending with the NYX Jumbo pencil very well. So how have you all been doing today, or this week? I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to make a tutorial last week. I did my blog TV show and then promptly came down with a bit of a migraine. Because if you look on my MySpace page, I did a makeup look that involved an eye patch, and that'll teach me to do an eye patch, because I came down with a migraine from hell. But I hope everyone's 4th of July was good. My partner Jay and I went out of town. Oh, by the way, I'm using the dark purple from the paint wheel now to do the outside corner. But yeah, I hope everyone had a good 4th of July. Jay and I went out of town. We went to his stepfather's house in West Texas. We had a good time. It was his family reunion, which we went to, but we don't really know his family very well, because it's his stepfather, and so I didn't know anybody at the family reunion, but it was still fun. I'm now bringing that purple up over the top, I always bring my dark color up over the eyelid. Now I've brushed a little bit on the paint wheel, and one thing that I am noticing is the glitter that's in it does not appear to be wearing off. Now, so it does not look like the glitter is just on the top. Now that may change as I use it a little bit more, but for right now it's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend, blend, blend. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to take this round brush. Actually, yeah, this round brush, and I'm going to take the hot pink color, and I'm going to start my upper eyelid here. Oh, and this is very pigmented, as I just discovered. You know, there was so much that I was going to tell you guys that I'd been thinking, I need to remember to talk about this or that, and as soon as I get on camera, I always completely forget. And then as soon as I wash my makeup off, I'll think of it. I'm going to be doing a video pretty soon where I would just like to answer questions. You know, they can be any questions, makeup related questions, if you want to know anything about me personally. So if you have any questions about anything, send them to me in a message, and I will try to answer as many of them as I can. Okay, so there's the hot pink. Let's see, I came down a little further on the other side. Now I'm going to use the dark kind of maroon color on this is the Sigma SS219 brush, and deepen this crease. So far, I have to say that I am really liking the Paintwheel. It's going on pretty smoothly for me. It does appear to be fairly high pigmented. It's very glittery, which I always like. You know, there is no such thing as too much glitter. People will say, you know, I hear in a video that you don't want to have too much glitter because you'll look like you have disco ball eyes. Well, I say that there is absolutely nothing wrong with having disco ball eyes.